Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you the quickest way to peel beans using your blender. I have in here 2 cups of beans. I'm going to soak it in water for about 30 to 40 minutes. Once it's done soaking for about that time, and you check the beans, and you can actually just roll it and it starts to look like some of it is peeling already. Now it's time to use your blender. You scoop it into the blender. And you add water. You add a lot of water, enough to allow the beans to move very freely when you start to blend. So that way it doesn't blend fine. I'll use the pause function of the blender. So I pause blend. So you see I turn it on, off, on, off, pause, off, pause, off. So that way it just kind of shakes the beans around, moves them around, and then it peels, as you can see. So you're not blending continuously like you would if you were going to really blend it to be fine. Like I said earlier, I was using the pause function of the blender. So if I were to blend completely, I would push the button off. So I'm using the pause function, and you may be using a different type of blender, but usually most blenders will have a pause button, and that's the one you should use. So now that I'm done peeling the beans with the blender, it's time to wash and get out all the husk, I believe that's called. So here I give it a little bit of rub. This will help to peel maybe a few here and there that did not get peeled with the blender. Why I like this method is that it saves you a lot of time and saves you a lot of water. You'll see what I mean by that. With this same water, I can completely wash the beans and then just give it a final rinse at the end of the day. process of rinsing and straining until you're able to get out all the husk. I need to look that up. I'm not very sure that's called the husk, but you understand what I mean. So here we have it almost completely cleaned. You can still see some black spots there. So you still have some of those husks to get out of it. Now I add some fresh water to give it a little bit more wash and almost to the final cleaning of the beans. At this stage, you just have a little bit of husk left in there. So you see how I'm rolling the beans in my hands? That's just to help peel whatever beans is still left unpeeled in there. And then I strain it again. See how I'm shaking it. Sometimes the husk is when at this stage the leftover husk in there, they kind of don't want to leave, so you have to shake the bowl a little bit to get them to strain them out. I actually just looked that up. It's called the husk, so I'm right. Now I give it the final rinse, and there you go, and there you have it. That's how to peel your beans using blender. It's fast, it saves you water, it saves you time, and your beans is ready to make moi moi, which is called bean cake, and also akara, or even ekuru. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.